Artemis 2. A new era of space exploration watched from orbit. The recent launch of NASA's Artemis 2 mission to the Moon was not just witnessed by millions on Earth astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS, also observed the historic event from orbit, marking a significant shift in humanity's sustained presence in space. A layered view of human spaceflight, unlike the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s, where lunar travel was a relatively isolated endeavor. Today's space exploration occurs alongside continuous human occupation of the ISS and a vast network of orbiting satellites. This means that for the first time, future lunar astronauts will be able to look back at Earth and see other humans in orbit, a stark contrast to the previous era. The Artemis 2 launch itself was observed from multiple vantage points, on the ground, from the ISS, and even by passengers on high-altitude flights. This layered perspective illustrates how dramatically space activity has expanded since the end of the Apollo program in 1972. ISS crew follows the Journey astronaut Chris Williams, part of the 7-member expedition. 74 crew aboard the ISS shared that the team stayed up late to watch the launch on NASA TV. Though initially too distant to see the liftoff directly, the crew later caught sight of the rocket's exhaust plume as the ISS passed closer to Florida. It's a striking measure of how much humanity's presence in space has evolved. Reflects the unique experience of watching a mission to the Moon while already in orbit. Satellites capture the spectacle. The launch wasn't just witnessed by humans. Weather satellites like GOES-19 and GOES-18 also captured stunning footage of the rocket's exhaust plume, offering a unique perspective from above. These images highlight how pervasive space-based observation has become in modern spaceflight. Communication between missions is a further sign of this evolution. The ISS crew is scheduled to have an audio-only conversation with the Artemis 2 astronauts on April 7th. This represents a new level of connectivity between human space missions, reinforcing the idea that space exploration is no longer a series of isolated events, but a continuous, interconnected endeavor. The Artemis 2 launch is more than just a mission to the Moon. It's a demonstration of how humanity's footprint in space has grown, with ongoing observation and communication now integral to every major spaceflight undertaking.